Bella. This is Dipesh Panjwani. Thank you for dropping by MX again. So now I'm going to introduce a new product, which is basically cable cubbies. It's a very popular product in the world for conference tables. So this is a cable cubby completely made in India. Best part about this cable cubby is that we have various options and it can be customized in whatever kind of configurations you want. You want with wireless charger on the top, you don't want a wireless charger on the top, you want something more broader where you need more connections. Again, we can customize it, whatever kind of multimedia sockets you want. The best thing about this cable cubby is that you can also integrate our cable retractor into this. So as you can see, you can remove the cable 1 meter outside and you can press this button and it just retracts inside automatically. It's a very popular product. You can see the cable retractor here, which is basically the same product, but it's just outside. And we have three options in this. We have a 4K HDMI cable, we have the 8K plus a 100-watt charging USB-C cable, and then we have the Cat 6A RJ45 cable. The best thing about this is, say for example, you want to use this product in Germany, or you want to use it in the US, or you want to use it in any part of the world. If in case you need sockets which have to be certified, we don't have them, but what you can do is we can give you blank plates. You can put in any certified brand which follows a modular standard of 45 or 45. You can just snap it in and you're sorted. Again, we have zero MOQ policy, so you can buy from 1 piece up to 100 pieces, up to 1,000 pieces, whatever you like. Again, we OEM for a lot of brands all over the country, and naturally we supply under our brand name MX as well. To know more about this product, please visit our website www.mdrelectronics.com, or you can visit our YouTube channel as well, where you have a lovely video to describe about this product as well. Thank you so much.